Success is overcoming obstacles driven by passion, purpose, and belief in yourself. Embrace challenges.
Motivational videos have always been popular on YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and TikTok because people need motivation, and such videos are rarely overlooked. Today, I will show you how to make a motivational video, but not like those where famous personalities appear, where you take a clip from a podcast. No, such videos cannot be monetized because it's someone else's material. I will show you in detail how to make a video in just 5 steps. Script writing, text-to-speech, background music, finding videos, and editing. Let's start with the first step. The first step is finding a motivational quote, which is very easy because there are many ways to do it. Type motivational quotes into Google and find one. There are hundreds of them available. You can also find one on Instagram or TikTok, or ask ChatGPT to write one for you, as I am doing. Just write 5 motivational quotes about business success, entrepreneurship, how to succeed in life. Make it lengthy. This is quite a long text for me, so I'll ask it to shorten. Of all, I like the 4th one the most. I'll copy that one, and let's continue. The next step is the voiceover. This is quite important as it adds freshness to the video. If you have a good, deep voice along with a decent microphone, you can record yourself saying this motivational quote. There's another option which I'll be using, and that is to convert this text into voice using AI. There are plenty of free and paid software for this, but I'll be using 11 Labs. You've probably noticed that it's widely used and praised. In my opinion, it's the best option out there. They offer a free plan as well as paid plans. Initially, I used the free plan, but later switched to the starter plan. Once you decide, you'll see a window like this. You need to choose the voice you want to use, preferably a male and deep voice.
Never miss.
Love doesn't make
Ideas. Work while you have.
a man is not old as long.
The world is round.
Life without love.
In my younger and more vulnerable years, my father...
I personally like Brian's voice the most. Now, paste the text provided by ChatGPT here. You don't need to change any settings. Let them be default. Press Generate and download. For background music, you can use any website, just make sure it's copyright free. If you've used a website before, stick with it. I'll be using Chosic. Let's go to Download Music, and here you can enter the type of music you want. For example, you can choose some motivational music, and as you can see, there's plenty of that kind of music available. I got inspired by funk music because I already have some edits in mind. As it says here, you can use the music as long as you copy the text below and paste it in the description as credit. Now we need those videos featuring luxury cars, luxurious places, wealthy people, and so on. I'll be using Pexels for that. Don't worry, you won't get any copyright issues. The site is 100% reliable. As you can see here, they also have images, so you know where to find them if you happen to need them. Here, select videos and type in luxury. Just look at that Lamborghini, go to filters and select vertical. As you can see, there are plenty of good shots. Carefully browse through and choose a few. I might download 6 of them. Now we have everything: the script, voiceover, background music, video footage. We need to merge all of this together and create magic. For video editing, as always, I use CapCut. You can use any software. It's not that important. Press New Project, modify, and copy my settings. Press Import and add everything you've downloaded. Drag everything down. Stretch the timeline by holding Control and scrolling the mouse wheel. Just in case, mute the track with the videos and move them to a track above the music.
Success is overcoming obstacles driven by passion, purpose, and belief in yourself. Embrace challenges, grow from setbacks, and turn them into stepping stones toward your goals.
As you can hear, the music is too loud, so select it and lower the volume.
Success is overcoming obstacles.
Much better. Now just trim these first videos to make them shorter. Do this with Ctrl and V. Trim the music as much as you want and delete the excess. Finally, you can add a fade-out effect to gradually reduce the volume towards the end. I'll trim this clip to match the length of the music and make its opacity decrease along with the music. Let the opacity be 100% and add a keyframe. Now, drag this to the end and reduce the opacity to 0, and the keyframe will be automatically added. It looks like this. Now, let's add auto captions. Press on text. Auto captions. Choose the language and create. In a few seconds, the text will be added. Connect the text as I did. Select the text, and let's add a template to the captions. Carefully choose and find the one that suits you best. I'll choose this one and edit it a bit. First, I'll change the font. Maybe this one. I'll turn off stroke and add shadow.
Embrace challenges, grow from setbacks, and turn them into stepping stones toward your goals.
You can add some filters, as I will. Place it below the text so it doesn't darken the text, and reduce its opacity if needed. Since my first video is quite dark, I won't apply a filter to it. The filter will start from the second clip. Let's add an effect too. I like to add a vignette. You don't have to place it below the text. Just stretch it all the way and reduce its opacity. Lastly, add a simple transition between each clip and let it last 0.1 seconds. Finally, you can just add keywords as the music intensifies, and that's it. When you're done, press export. Make sure to set the resolution to 1080p because YouTube Shorts doesn't support higher resolutions, and copy the rest. Now I'll show you how that video looks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video.
Success is overcoming obstacles driven by passion, purpose, and belief in yourself. Embrace challenges, grow from setbacks, and turn them into stepping stones toward your goals.